Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Bill.com AI for invoice processing and approvals, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Bill.com account and navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings option in the top right corner. Click on integrations from the drop-down menu. Find the section labeled AI Invoice Processing. Next, head to the Invoices tab on the left side of the dashboard. Select the Upload Invoice option to add a new invoice. Choose the file you wish to upload from your device. Wait for the AI system to process the invoice. Once processing is complete, review the extracted data for accuracy. If any discrepancies are found, manually correct the information. Next, click on Approve to move the invoice forward in the workflow. To verify the approval, navigate to the Approvals section. Check the status of the invoice under the Pending Approvals category. You will see the list of invoices awaiting your approval. Select the invoice to view detailed information. Confirm all details are correct before final approval. Click on Confirm Approval to finalize the process. For any rejected invoices, provide necessary comments for clarity. Monitor the notifications for updates on the approval status. Utilize the reporting feature to analyze invoice processing efficiency. Explore any additional settings to customize AI functionality. Regularly review your AI settings to optimize its performance. Consider training your team on how to leverage AI features in Bill.com for better productivity. Keep abreast of any updates or changes to the AI processing capabilities. This will ensure you are making the most of the available tools. By following these steps, you can effectively verify Bill.com AI for invoice processing and approvals. Your streamlined workflow will enhance efficiency and accuracy in managing invoices. Now, let's move forward by applying these insights in your organization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.